All acne is not caused by the same combination of these inflammation, bacteria, and oil production factors. For instance, acne on the forehead and nose, also known as the T-zone, is typically caused by oil production, due to the large number of oil production glands located in that region. On the other end of the spectrum is the U-zone, which occupies the temples, cheeks, and chin. Acne in this area is typically caused by dry skin problem. What causes acne on cheeks? Acne on cheeks could have multiple causes, but the most common is dry skin. The skin in the U-zone has far fewer oil production glands compared to the rest of the face, so the skin in that area is typically much drier. Dry skin can lead to acne because it is more easily irritated. When the skin is irritated, the oil glands are stimulated and produce more oil, which can lead to clogged pores and more acne. Biggest problem is irritation, though as the inflammation that follows, immune system sees irritation as a threat, so it sets off the inflammation response in order to protect the skin. This causes the irritated area to swell slightly, isolating the irritant to prevent it from spreading. This closes off the pores, trapping oil, dead skin cells, and acne-causing bacteria beneath the surface. Treatment. Benzoyl peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide is one of the most popular acne treatment ingredients right now, because it kills acne-causing bacteria. However, bacteria only play a significant role in acne and cysts. Salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is often combined with benzoyl peroxide because while it takes care of the bacteria and pimples, salicylic acid gets rid of blackheads and whiteheads by breaking up the oil and dead skin cells clogging the pores. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is an essential oil that has been proven to help treat and prevent acne. It kills bacteria, reduces inflammation, and breaks up clogged pores, everything you could want from an acne treatment.